Hello guys, welcome back to Oge Gold Native Dish. In today's video, I am going to share with you guys how I make this delicious food, yam and vegetable. These are my ingredients that I use in making the delicious food. I have cleaned, cut and washed everything that I will need in making this video. As you can see, yes, everything is ready, including my vegetable and my yam. I've cut everything. Now the next thing I will do is to start my cooking. I cut the yam off the camera so that I will make the video fast, so I won't waste much of your time. Now it's time for me to start cooking. I want to use this opportunity to thank my viewers out there, especially my subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you very much for your support. Keep watching. Now I'll put water in the yam. I will start cooking the yam. It's good that you cut your yam into small pieces so that you will cook it fast. You will not waste your time. Now I will add little salt to it. Yes, just little salt to the yam so that it will taste good after cooking it. Just small, because you will still put salt in the vegetable when you are preparing it. So you just need little salt. Then you cover and allow to cook for some minutes. Oh, yam don't waste much time, so you just need to cook it for some minutes. You see, my yam is ready. The yam is ready. Now I'll have to transfer it. Is either you transfer it in a sieve or you just do it the way I'm doing my own. I remove it with, I just remove and put in another pot or frying pan. Just remove it because we are going to use we will not use the water. Yes, we will not make use of the water. The next thing I will do now is to prepare the vegetable. In a clean pot, dry it very well. Dry it very well. Make sure there is no water in the pot or frying pan, anyone you are making use of. Then my oil comes in. You don't have quantity of oil, just the quantity of your yam and vegetable depends on the quantity of oil and other ingredients you are going to add. You see my oil. I put oil according to the quantity of my yam. So at the end of the day, it's going to turn out very nice. Keep watching, you are going to enjoy it. Next is my onion. Yes. Then I will stir for just little time. I will stir for little time and start adding other ingredients. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share the video so that anytime I post videos like this, you will be the first person to know about it. Keep watching and thank you. Then I will stir for some time. Then I added my pepper and the crayfish. I'm using fresh pepper here. I pound it together with my crayfish. You can use dry pepper. You can use black pepper, any pepper of your choice. But here I'm making use of fresh pepper, and I pound it together with crayfish. I added another salt, but just small salt because I've added salt in the yam when I was cooking it. This is my seasoning cube. Add according to the quantity of what you are cooking. Don't add too much. Then I will also stir for some time. Yes, the next thing that I will add is you can call it Ugba, you can call it oil bean. Yes, Ukpaka is the next thing that I'll add and stir again. These oil beans will take the yam to another level. Very delicious. But if you don't have oil beans, you can skip it. It's not compulsory, but it's tasty and makes your food look good and taste good. Next, this is the last thing I'll add, the vegetable. You can even use, I'm using green here. You can use any other vegetable of your choice, like you can use pumpkin, you can use ugu leaf. Yes, you can even use garden egg leaf. It tastes good as well. But in this video, I am using green. Yes, green is what I'm making use of here. And it turned out very nice. Just stir for some time, the way I'm doing it here. Yes, you see how the food looks very nice. It looks very nice. You are going to love the food. After stirring, I added little water, just little, to combine the vegetable. I added little water, you see, because you will still put yam, so the water is going to help to combine everything together, the yam and the vegetable. Yes, just little, the way I did it here. Very small water is going to help a lot. Not too much water, because it's not porridge yam that we are cooking, it's vegetable. The next thing I will do now is to cover and allow it to steam for some minutes or seconds. Just let it, you don't need to cook it too much. Yes, just small, so that your vegetable, everything will combine together. You see the outcome is very nice. Everything is okay now. The next thing I am going to do is my yam. Yes, pour in the yam and the vegetable pots, just the way I'm doing it here. Pour the yam and mix everything together. Our food is almost ready. Almost ready. Thank you guys for watching. If you're still watching up to this point, you are amazing. Thank you. Continue watching. Our food is about to get to another level. Wow, you see? Everything looks nice. This food is very tasty. Very, very tasty. You can eat it any time of the day. You can eat it any time of the day. You can enjoy with chilled drink. Yes, you can eat it alone. You can eat it hot. Very delicious. Just cover so that everything, with the ingredients, the vegetable, and the yam will come together. Wow. Very delicious and mouth-watering. You need to come and taste the food. Very nice. Guys, the food is ready. The food is ready. The next thing we are going to do here is to serve the food. If you want to eat, you can come and join me. I'll serve the food now. Very delicious yam. Just look at the outcome. I told you guys that the outcome is going to be very nice. You see? Very hot. You are going to love it. Just try out this recipe. You will thank me later. Wow. The food is ready. Yay. Come and join me. It's very delicious. The food is hot. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.